All right, everybody, welcome back. Dr. Blumenthal back with you, and we have a familiar face. Zakita is back with us. Last time we saw you, Zakita, was about a year ago, and you look different than you did then, but how did the year go? First of all, thank you for doing this. We did a video at the beginning. We're going to do one now, and hopefully the transformation is pretty incredible. But how did the year go? Tell us sort of how the journey was.
The journey was blessing. It wasn't weird at all.
Yeah.
I felt normal. I wore my hair pretty much short haircut.
Okay.
For me, as I was regrowing my hair, considering the front was already shaved down.
Yeah. Right.
Short. And everything, like the pain and everything, I felt like was doable.
Good.
Really had too many issues with the pain.
Good.
Did love the ice. I actually slept with the ice.
Did you really?
Yes, that was.
Ice was your best friend, as I say. Yeah.
Then the medicine for me.
Oh,
the
good.
ice was the best part.
Good. Good.
On the fourth day, my face swelled up. It swelled up a little bit.
Yeah.
It lasted for like 1 or 2 days.
Okay.
But putting the ice on prior before.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wasn't too bad.
Good. Good.
And then once the swelling went down, everything else was okay.
Good. Good.
The stitches, the stitch process and everything went well.
Uh-huh. And then the journey throughout the year, was that frustrating for you, or did that go kind of smooth?
It really wasn't a frustrating process at all.
Good. Okay.
Played around with my hair as I normally would.
Yeah.
And I would say at least about maybe a week to 2 weeks after I already had started seeing my hair grow.
Wow. Okay, that's pretty early. Yeah.
Yeah, so I was kind of like playing with the hair that was there.
Okay. Fantastic.
And it kind of made everything start coming into play of how everything would actually look.
Yeah. Good.
And already was starting to like it after those.
And overall, how were the results for you?
I love my results.
Good.
It's great. It was what I was looking for. I like
Awesome.
the option that I can go back if I want to.
Yep.
But I feel like I really don't need to.
I agree with you. I think you got sort of, again, what we usually tell patients is that 30 to 40% density, which, as we talked about, the edges are supposed to be a little thinner than the rest of the hair. That's what looks natural. And you start out with almost basically nothing, and you got to where you are now. We'll have you turn back and forth so people can see it. But I think it looks fantastic. If you wanted to, you could always do that second coat, but I don't think you need it. You know, that's the good thing. You can wear your hair out, and you can you keep it pretty short, but you can grow it out and kind of cover the edges. I think it looks fantastic. Do me a favor, now that we have you, I'm going to have you kind of look down at the camera. We'll put up the before pictures in a second. Good, excellent. Then now pick a side, either right side or left side. There you go. And again, there was basically nothing there before. Looks really nice. And other side. Oh, pull back just a little bit. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Fantastic. And the back, nothing wrong with the scar? No issues with the scar in the back?
No issues with the scar.
Good.
You want to try to see the back?
Yeah, if you can. I mean, you send us pictures. I know we can't see it, but for purposes of this, you can just sort of do a 180 and see if you can see something in the back. And again, you keep your hair pretty short, so. And then pull out just a little bit. It's kind of close-up view. There you go. Yeah. Yeah, there's nothing there. Looks beautiful. Love it. Love it, love it, love it.
I had a haircut where I had a heart in the back.
What's that?
I had a haircut where I had a heart in the back.
Oh, did you really? You had a cut in there?
I let them fix it up, and it kind of went well with my scar.
Oh, yeah? Oh, that's cool.
It's actually growing out of that heart.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's cool. You got to send me a picture of that one. That's cool.
I can send you a picture of that.
Yeah.
I have it.
Well, it's a pleasure. I'm so happy for you. Thank you for doing this. This will be the last time that we check in with you, but feel free to reach out to us anytime and send us postcards and anytime say hi to us. Okay.
Okay.
All right,
sure.
Take care. Thank you so much.
You too.
All right. Bye-bye.